Okay, so I wanted to shoot a little video to review this new Apple Watch band that I just bought by Carterjett. I already have a few Apple Watch bands, so I was looking for something a little different this time. And what I like about this brand is that all of their styles are really unique and original. And I ended up going with this one, which is a leather band with a awesome carbon fiber pattern. It looks amazing in person. It looks like real carbon fiber. The thing that stood out the most about this band is the quality. All of the details are amazing. The buckle has a really nice matte finish, which I really like. They have reinforcement stitching all around the band, and the edges have a really nice finishing as well, which this is really cool because it prevents also the leather from splitting open. So, you know, durability there. So the style, I think that I decided on this because I think it's something I can wear every day, but I can also wear with a suit, which is a huge plus. So if you're looking for something unique and different, definitely check out Carterjett.